Do you exist in the past, present, and future, all at the same time? Right now as you watch this video, could you also be taking your first breath and living your final moment simultaneously? It sounds impossible, but some theories in physics suggest that time might not be what we think. To understand this, let's imagine the universe as a giant flip book. Each page is a frozen moment in time, like a single frame of a movie. As we flip through the pages, events unfold, stars explode, civilizations rise and fall, and yes, maybe you missed the bus. But only the present page, the one we're currently flipping to, feels real. The past is just a stack of used pages, and the future hasn't been drawn yet. That's how most of us perceive time. It flows in one direction from past to future, moment by moment. But what if that's wrong? What if all the pages already exist? Some scientists believe in the block universe model where time isn't flowing at all. Instead, it's like a gigantic, unchanging four-dimensional block where the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. If this is true, your birth, your biggest achievements, and even the far future where humans colonize Mars all coexist right now. The problem? This idea completely contradicts how we experience reality. We only feel the now. The past is gone and the future is unwritten. Or so we think. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time and space are connected as space-time. And here's where things get weird. Time doesn't pass the same for everyone. It bends and stretches depending on speed and gravity. Imagine 3 alien spaceships spread across the universe. One is stationary relative to you. It experiences time like you do. Another is speeding away, and because of relativity, its now is slightly different from yours. The third spaceship is rushing toward you, experiencing yet another now. If they could communicate instantly, one might see the past of Earth, while another might see its future. So, which now is the real now? The unsettling answer, all of them. If all moments in time exist equally, does that mean your future is set in stone? Do you have free will, or is everything, including your decision to keep watching this video, predetermined? Not necessarily. Quantum physics introduces another layer of mystery. At the smallest scales, particles behave unpredictably. If an atom decays, it might lead to a tiny change that alters history, a butterfly effect at the quantum level. If the future were already written, how could randomness exist? Maybe time isn't a frozen block but a growing one. Instead of all of time being set, only the past exists, and the present is the moving edge where new moments are created. The future is not yet real. It's constantly forming as time unfolds. This version of reality allows for both relativity and free will to coexist. So, what is time? We still don't know for sure. Time could be an illusion, a construct of our minds to make sense of reality. Some physicists even argue that time doesn't exist at all, and it's just an emergent property of deeper, fundamental laws. But one thing is certain, you're in the present right now, and that's what matters. And if you want to make sure your future self doesn't regret missing out on mind-blowing content like this, then do the scientifically correct thing, like share, comment, and subscribe to FactXplorer. Because whether time is real or not, your support helps keep our journey through the cosmos going.